Morning, folks. It's September 11th. It's Todd's birthday, and you know what? We're out cruising around looking for antique stores. Todd from the Rats here, and we are out. We're in Mount Bethel on the Route 611 corridor here, and we are at
Vintage and
unusual finds, treasures, collectibles, and chocolate. I tell you what, I just walked inside there. This is a very cute little place.
Yeah?
It's about a mile at most outside Stone Church on 611 North.
Okay.
Going up toward Portland and
Bangor and
right near Bangor. Yeah, we're out here in the countryside, and we're showing you folks this place. It is neat as all get out.
I like the stuff that's outside.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
It's
I like the old doors and such.
Tastefully decorated out here, and tell you what, it's equally tastefully decorated inside.
Yeah, nice. Really, really like that. Okay.
So come on inside, take a look.
All right, go ahead.
Put my mask back on now.
Oh, I like this over here. Look at the cans and boxes.
Mm-hmm.
Creamed cottage cheese, hun.
That's neat, huh?
Yeah.
You want to turn it on?
Ooh. Hello.
Hi. Welcome in.
Thank you for letting us video.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sure, no problem. Ooh, look at this.
Nice in here.
Oh, yeah. This is beautiful.
Mm-hmm. I'll take it here. Here's a business card.
Oh, yeah.
Put it down here so everybody can see it and where it's at.
There you go. Oh, yeah, nice. Here's the business card. Love that setup right there with the door.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Actually, you know, that's cool. That little box on the wall with the
soda.
bottle in it. Neat.
Yeah, very
Now
nice.
that is beautiful. This cabinet here.
I was just showing this before. Yeah, look at that.
Here's the owner of the store over here, this young lady. I'm sorry, what's your name, ma'am?
I'm Becky.
Becky.
Oh, hi, Becky.
Hi.
Beautiful.
Renee, Todd, we're the Rats.
Beautiful shop.
Thank you.
This is really nice. Very tastefully decorated.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's the key. We just take cool vintage items, mix it
Wow.
with new, and do a lot of repurposing.
Mhm.
And you use the Dixie Belle paint, right?
We use both Dixie Belle paint and Wise Owl paint.
Wow, Belle paint.
That
Nice.
piece that you were looking at is actually an old Majestic radio cabinet.
Oh,
And,
really?
Yeah, the insides of it were all damaged. I have still the Majestic panels and whatnot, and they were damaged, so we took it out and then repurposed it into a cabinet and gave it some shelves.
Oh, wow.
Now, talk about repurposing. Look at how cool this is. The old piping making
Oh,
a
yeah.
bench and table out of
And the
it.
barnwood.
That is very cool. Very clever doing that.
I like
It's
that.
always the key too to show people that you can use cool old items and mix it into like a modern or urban.
Oh, yeah, we love, that's one of our things we love showing and love doing, yes.
Yeah, a lot of it.
And you have a store in Allentown?
We're down in Valley.
Valley?
Valley. You know
Yeah.
Valley is down by
I
Jake's?
do, yep.
Where this one fence you don't go too much. We have 3 booths.
Nice. That's awesome.
Oh, look at that saddle. Wow.
But when you get a whole something like this, that's a good.
Yeah, that's great. Well, let me know if you guys have any questions.
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
We'll put a link to your store in our video also.
That's so great.
Yeah, sure. No
I
problem.
appreciate it. Thank you.
We love coming to, small antique stores and such. I don't know if he's told you, we've done it all over the country. And then we also give like shout outs to, small businesses and let people know, like, I didn't even know this was here.
Yeah.
So,
You just kind of stumbled across us, right?
well, his parents live up the road, so he passes it all the time.
And I'm a driving the pump truck for Allstate. I'm here 3 times a week. I'm back past it. So
Yeah.
I stop into this place.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
They're
this.
open, so which is nice.
That's awesome. So it worked out perfect.
It did.
Look at this. I love this. Food fights.
Ooh.
I know. I love love that bottle. Plan all meals for victory.
Well, you know what? We do shopping here.
I
You
do.
want to follow us home? We can do that.
I do like that one. Just because of,
It's different.
yeah, it is different. It's not like a normal,
No, we like weird and different.
yeah, really nice stuff.
Now, I like this. This is cool.
The Uncle Ben's
It's Uncle
rice.
Ben's rice, but it has the steamship on it. No paddle on it.
Yeah, that's probably the
Yeah.
old,
Cookie jar.
that's the old advertisement, I guess, from it. I love this. Look at how they did like the branches, or
Mhm.
actually like deer antlers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she does really nice refurbishing. See these cabinets, just alone, this cabinet, you could get like a dime a dozen at
Yeah.
any auction.
And look how she
And
made
look
it
at
nice.
how nice.
Mhm.
Taking the doors off, taking the glass off. So that's what you have to think, because you're not going to get this kind of quality furniture anymore.
Old license plates.
Ooh, look at
The
that.
whole thing full of her of old license plates.
How much is that?
That's a good question. That there is $20. That's a good deal
Wow.
for an old plate like that.
Well, in a lot of states, if you have single digits, it shows
Yeah.
wealth.
New Jersey, old Jersey plate there.
Heavy.
1960. Yeah.
I can hear how heavy that is. Yeah, it's heavy.
Jersey, Pennsylvania, 47 Pennsylvania. Wow.
Very heavy.
Yeah. If I collect plates, you gotta come here. 1936 Pennsylvania. Wow. That's cool.
The pennants.
Old pennant there.
Yeah, I was just looking at those, yeah. Bushkill Falls, Roadside America.
Wow.
Now, Roadside America is no longer, right? Did they?
I don't know. It's
The building's there, but I
still
think
saying
they
it, yeah.
went. I think there is no more. Oh, look at this. She's beautiful. Is this wood? Oh wow, that's beautiful.
These are two of my most fun repurposing areas. The seed bags right now.
Oh yes,
Everybody's using
big.
They're repurposing seat cushions, bench cushions. We see them framed. You can use them for like people will frame them and then like
Yeah.
hang things off of them.
I think that's a deal there. $7.50 for one bag or
Yeah.
$6 for two or more. That's a steal.
Yeah, let me look more
We
at
do the
these.
coffee ones and the burlap bags.
Mm-hmm.
Then we like to try to show people on our Facebook page like what you can do with stuff.
Yeah,
Because
smart.
A lot of times people see it and they're like, "Oh, just a bag," but then you show them all the cool stuff
Stuff
you
you
can
could do. Yeah, nice.
That and then the bottles. We
That's a
always have
great.
bottles.
That's a great price too. My
That's
goodness.
a very good price.
Yeah, I love this. I love the displays. In our store, we have the old spools from the utility wires,
Oh yeah.
and we have them on top of each other. And that's what we have as our display stands.
That's awesome.
Because you can get them for free from,
Wire companies.
PP&L. Like, PP&L gives them for free.
You know that's so creative. We get those for our goats, but I never thought of it for a display.
Oh, yeah, they're good for goats. Yeah.
So that's actually
Out in
genius.
Wisconsin, we were just out in Wisconsin, that's what they use them for, goats.
Yep.
Every goat farm has them. Wow.
Yeah. The bottles are another thing. Like a lot of times this time of year, people will put different florals in there. They hang them on trees. Isn't he fun?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, I know. I love that. The Lincoln Bank. I've seen them, but I haven't seen them with the top on it.
Mm-hmm.
I like that has the top. See, before there was like piggy banks. They
Yeah.
used to be like,
Lincoln Banks.
yeah, they used to be this, bottles with the slits on the top. You know? I like this one, actually. 15,
Reasonable.
yep.
Very reasonable. You want that other one there, sir?
I think I'm gonna get that one too.
Okay. We shop as we
Yeah.
did it. Yeah.
Oh, you know what I'm looking at. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. $95. That's spot on. Oh, and you even make your own soaps. I love this. Is this from the goat's milk?
We don't make those, but they are handmade, and those are goat's milk soaps. They're actually made in Maryland.
Oh wow, goat's milk. Yeah.
Goat's milk soaps are great because they're really moisturizing for your
Yeah, they're
skin.
good.
And it's more, it's natural. And this kind of comes into our paint area.
We just sold those.
Yeah.
Really?
We just had a whole canister set at our store. We just sold them. Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Oh wow, look at that.
We have like a dozen of them sitting around.
Oh, look at
Really?
that.
Yeah.
But I love this. Oh yeah. Oh, feel how heavy. Feel how.
Purse. The beaded
These are not
purse.
plastic beads. These
No, they are not.
Glass beads are very heavy.
Yes, they are.
That's beautiful. I love that. How much is that? $75. That's
That's
beautiful.
worth every penny too.
Ooh, I like
That is
that
heavy.
one.
We're trying to mug you to black them with it. Out they go. You think I might hear?
Yeah, I really love it.
We take it.
There's another one. This is really pretty.
The hats are the.
Oh, you can see me. Hi.
I love the 1920s and 30s here pieces.
Yeah.
My daughter is 19 and she was in and she tried on every one of them.
Oh yes.
And then within an hour, I had another girl, about 19 years old, walk in the door and got one. And I was so surprised.
For prom or?
No, she got it she's an art student and was repurposing it into a piece for a gown she's doing in art school. And I was like, how great is that? That's something that's almost 100 years old.
Yeah.
That a young girl now is putting into
Very nice.
Yeah.
something new, you know?
Yeah, very nice.
When this becomes the paint department, here is always, we usually have drawers or something on our work table. This piece, I'm getting ready to wax right now. So
Yeah,
the
how
front
nice.
of this will say wood. It's
Oh, that looks really sharp.
the front of it has to be resalved. I'll put a salve on here, touch up all the wood spots, and then I painted this blue, and then I'll wax this and put new hardware.
Wow.
And we did a little touch of gold on the.
Oh, I like that.
on
That
the
looks sharp.
legs. So this will be ready today.
Wow.
Over here, behind you, Dixie Belle, we have 67 colors. And then Wise Owl, we carry right about 50 colors.
Wow.
We like Dixie Belle.
Yeah, it's a great brand.
It is.
We're a
Yeah.
premier retailer with them, so we do carry the whole line.
Yeah, I love that. I love that they paint the wooden spoons. It's like my favorite thing.
Yeah.
So you really know what it looks like on
This is clever.
like wood.
Look at the inside of this. They put an old map inside.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, we just saw that on Flea
did.
Market Flip,
Flea Market
right?
Flip, we saw that.
Really?
Yes.
I love
Yeah.
that show. They're usually in like Brimfield.
Oh yeah. Well, it's nice because we go to flea markets and, like you said, you get stagnant with it, and then it's like, what do you do with stuff, you know?
Yeah.
So it's nice to see.
Well, here's an example. These are our transfers, and we got this old tin, which people use these old tins
Oh,
for dog food,
yeah,
for
bird
flowers,
seed.
trashes, and we literally just put a transfer on an old tin.
Oh, see, that looks so nice.
Yeah, and those are just the old transfers. Yeah. You
Yeah.
do.
Yeah, this is I love
Trash
this.
and treasure, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Question for you, guys.
Yeah,
I like that.
I did. Oh, it's a combination actually.
Really?
So this is actually the chapter of the transfers. So this is a really old piece of furniture. And
Oh, let's see what she's talking about.
we did it with the Wise Owl, and then this is a transfer.
Really?
And then the transfer ended. Let's see. The transfer ended right about here. So then I just took a combination of actually both Dixie Belle and Wise Owl paints, and then just blended.
Painted the rest to match.
That's
Wow.
done nicely too.
Thanks.
That's beautiful.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
That's nice for like a nice, like for a beach house
Yeah.
or even a den, like a nautical den.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot, what we see here too is that things aren't always used as what they are. Like in other words, like this is a dresser, but now people are using things like
TV
this.
stand.
TV
Yeah.
stands, entryway tables,
Yep.
bathrooms for extra storage.
Right.
So like you see things being used everywhere. Buffets aren't just used in dining rooms anymore; they're used in foyers.
Oh, I know.
Right.
Like
It's crazy.
sofa tables. You don't even have those. Like you don't use them as a sofa table anymore. Yeah. Nice.
Things are always repurposed. I think our most popular is the old credenzas or the old like cabinets. Those are used as either people are converting them to bathroom vanities.
Oh, you're
or,
right.
Like you said, TV stands.
Yeah.
So everything can be used wherever you need it, basically.
And it gives that special touch, you know.
Yeah.
Now, while she was talking, I just saw over her shoulder this. I
You saw
just,
something back over here.
I did. I saw this.
I saw it before too. I don't know what it is, but it's cool looking.
Look at that. How much
Sure.
is this?
That's $24.
Those are the old Dutch molds.
Yes.
Wow, look at
I
that.
know. All right. Do you know how nice that would look? Is they have a man too? They have a man, right?
Yes.
Oh man.
You want them in the kitchen, don't you?
I know. Yeah. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that.
Cool, aren't they?
Were they 24 a piece?
24 a piece.
I think I'm gonna splurge on it.
Okay. Put them over there.
Huh?
I'll put them over here.
Okay, I'm gonna splurge. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get the. I think
bottles.
no, just the. Let me see. I do like this other bottle though, but. Alright. Food fights. Let me see. Turn it around the other way.
Clover Farm Dairy.
In Reading, I know.
Right. We have people who are looking for this.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
But I like the Lincoln one because I can put my. I like to put my marbles in bottles, you know.
I get it.
And this would be a nice
Hey,
bottle.
just like Elmer collecting marbles?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, not collect. I don't collect marbles, but I just think they look nice in bottles.
Mm-hmm. You do.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it.
Go for it.
I'm just gonna do it.
Are you guys all set?
Yeah, you know what? I have to go out in the car to get my purse.
Okay.
You want to get my little wallet out in the car? Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna get these. These are gonna be for my kitchen.
That's awesome.
Well, I'm Pennsylvania Dutch, so my whole kitchen is hex signs
Oh, nice.
and stuff. So, and then, well, my great grandpappy owned a dairy, so I always try to get like unique bottles to go with his.
Yeah.
So I like this one with the food fight and the Uncle Sam on it. So
Nice.
Yeah,
You got your
cool.
Lincoln Bank.
yeah, no, I'm gonna put marbles in this one.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna put my marbles in that. So, well, cool. Well, thank you very much.
So nice to meet you.
It was nice meeting you too. Now, don't forget to like them on Facebook, and I'm going to put a link to their shop in the bottom of this video. So
Yes.
thank you very much for letting us come in.
Yeah, I appreciate
Beautiful
it.
shop. I'm also going to take some still photos and put them up. So take a look at our Facebook page also. We'll put a link to their store there.
Yep.
All right. Off to the next one?
The next one.
Okay.
Thanks for stopping by with us, folks. Hope you enjoyed this place. We certainly did.
Yeah, it's just beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful shop.
Yes. So come by and see Becky.
Yeah. Yes.
Hey, psst, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, you know what? Today's my birthday. And some people we watch on YouTube, they have mailboxes and they get cards and presents and stuff like that. You know what I want? Come here. I'll tell you what I want. You guys want to get me a present? Want to send me something? Hit subscribe. That's what I want. I want subscriptions. I want subscriptions so I can keep making great videos like the ones you've seen today. So, just subscribe, okay? That's what I want for my birthday. Thank you.